Snoring has become a real challenge in our lives, hasn't it? But what if I told you there's a simple solution? With effective snoring relief, you can finally enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. This anti-snoring chin strap is designed to keep your mouth closed, preventing that annoying snoring sound while also keeping your throat moist. It's adjustable, so it fits all face sizes comfortably. Plus, it's breathable and sweat-resistant, ensuring you stay cool throughout the night. And when it comes to cleaning, it couldn't be easier, just wash it with warm water and soap. Imagine waking up refreshed and ready to take on the day, all thanks to a good night's sleep. Say goodbye to snoring and hello to tranquility with effective snoring relief. Try it today and experience the difference for yourself.